The Goa government has broadened the online outpatient department booking system at Goa Medical College and Hospital, making appointments available in 8 additional departments from Tuesday. A notification from the Office of Joint Secretary stated that the service, initially piloted for 5 departments from February 4th, will now include pediatrics, ophthalmology, obstetrics and gynecology, neurology, medical oncology, cardiology, pediatrics cardiology, and urology. The system will offer 100 OPD slots per day for each of the newly added departments, except neurology and medical oncology, which will have 50 slots daily. The public can book appointment through GMC's official website, with services provided according to doctors' availability on the chosen date. The current system does not yet allow patients to select specific doctors. Officials said the expansion is part of ongoing efforts to improve patient convenience, cut down waiting times at hospital counters, and promote transparency in the appointment process.